Again!
Northeastern Colorado, southwestern Logan County in northeastern Colorado until 5:15 p.m. At 4:38 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles east of Roggen to 6 miles southwest of Long Lane Village to 3 miles west of Gary, or along a line extending from 29 miles southeast of Greeley to 6 miles southwest of Fort Morgan to 24 miles west of Akron, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Morgan, Brush, Wigglins, Log Lane Village, Marino, Hillrose, Pruitt Reservoir, Weldona, Atwood, Orchard, Stoneham, Snyder, Riverside Reservoir, Midway, Briggsdale, Goodrich, Roggen, Gary, New Raymer, and Antelope Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 675 in a...
When did they issue the watch? Oh, I guess I wasn't here for it. But yeah, they issued a watch. Guess I was not here for that.